Range Courthouse is one of the first places in the country where they have started using eCharging. It's an internet program that speeds up the legal process. Renee Pasal joins us. Renee, why is this debuting on the Iron Range?
Well, Denny, St. Louis County has built a reputation for being ready for new things, and Virginia had the staff up for the challenge.
It's this type of technology that helps us.
It's called eCharging, a cutting-edge pilot program at the Virginia Courthouse. Once the initial criminal complaint is entered into the computer, the rest of the official business can be finished with a few clicks of a mouse. Prosecutor Gordon Coldagelli explains.
Once that complaint is done, I receive a notification, an email notification that the complaint is done. At that point, I can pull up the complaint, review it, and then sign it electronically.
The signature requires a password. When he hits send, it goes immediately to the police officer or deputy on the case.
So it's over at the Virginia Police Department right now.
Then after law enforcement electronically signs it, it's emailed back to the courts and finally the judge.
And that one shows that Judge Paglicetti signed the complaint.
When we were there, it only took about 25 minutes for all three offices to finish up, and no one had to leave their desks. Now the police department is within walking distance of the courthouse, and the sheriff's department is in the basement. But that extra travel time adds up. Plus, the court staff is usually involved too. The eCharging makes each case more efficient.
On a busy day, where we have a lot of people that are in custody and there are a lot of complaints to be signed, it could save up to maybe an hour of deputies' time.
That's time they can spend on other duties.
The only downside is we're not going to get the exercise we did walking up and down the stairs.
I think it's a real tribute to the system that we have up here. It is the first place in the state of Minnesota.
Evelyn and the other Quad cities will be included next in the eCharging program, and then other communities served by the Virginia Courthouse, like Babbitt and Ely, obviously they will see a big time savings. Then the program will be expanded to the Hibbing area, and then finally Duluth. On the range, I'm Renee Pasal for Eyewitness News.